1 million views.
1 million views. Sounds good to me. Sounds that. Oh! Good morning, everybody. It is currently 6:15 a.m. and today is the coastal cleanup. Two of my staff still down there a little bit. They didn't want to come on the bike, but I only had one extra helmet, so they didn't want to leave each other. But yeah, there's actually quite a few people that are out all over already. They don't really wait for the starting time of 6:30. Outside of our house, this morning, I was like, oh, I thought it was only from the bye-bye to San Antonio. And it turns out it depends where your business is. And so they sent it out to all the businesses and whoever's located on that side. Here we go. Very cool. So the city of Roxas organized the main thing, and then they chose one business to be in charge of organizing that section. And so I have the letter with me right now. I won't be able to tell you exactly who it is. Oh, but they're already out there, so wow. Nobody wanted to wait for 6:30, it looks like. They've already, there's a ton of people already down as far as Bit Toys so far. So, as you can see though, the tide is kind of in. There's only a little bit of beach left right now. All right, gotta tell my two guys to hurry up because we gotta head out there. And it looks like we're walking all the way back to the Beaver almost to start. 6:30 in the Philippines is 5:30. I bet that's what it is. Guess what, guys? Guess what? Yes. They're almost all ready to our beach. Oh. Come on. I can see a million shirts out there. See, look at them all already. So I have a feeling, you know they say Filipino time? Well, when it comes to cleaning up beaches, it's an hour earlier, not later. Oh yeah, look at the beach already. It's all been cleaned up here. Yeah, there's nothing for us to do until we get a little further down. By the way, so Lewis, one day left, brother.
Yeah.
1 day left.
Yeah.
He's going back to school. Yeah. What are you going to school for?
At Bailan.
That's the name of the studies you're doing? At Bailan?
Also, hospitality management. Yeah, that's why.
Hospitality management?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There we go. Hospitality management. All right. Well, there you go. You got some experience so far, anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Working at the Beaver. You know, at one point, I was offered this place to rent for a house. Yeah, and I was like, well, it's not really a house, though. I couldn't even imagine how much money I'd have to spend to turn this into something to live in. The roof is gone, that's for sure. There is some cement and everything in there, but in hindsight, I wasn't thinking of a bar back then. In hindsight, look how close, right in the smack in between all the seafood restaurants. That would have been a better place for the bar, right beside Coco Veranda. That might have been a better place. And they wanted, at the time, I think 25,000 pesos a month, but as is. So you gotta rent it and you gotta do all the work, which isn't like, depends how long they were gonna do the lease on. Like at least with the Beaver Bar, we bought the building. We still have to lease the land. But everybody's kind of in that same boat. So I don't know if that rent was something he's making a profit over top of the land lease, or maybe San Antonio doesn't own the entire way. I know they don't. There's a certain point they don't. Oh, and there we go. There's the orange guys right there that were in front of my house. Wow, they made good time. They started really early. Hello. Good morning, good morning. You know, it's interesting because they say 6:30, everybody started an hour early. Amazing, amazing. Good morning, everybody, good morning. Well, hello. So are you guys the organizers?
Scan, sponsor of Scan of Iglesia ni Cristo. Iglesia ni Cristo.
Oh, okay, wonderful. So it started like an hour early.
Yeah.
Instead of 6:30, it started at 5:30.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, because the tide's coming in so quick? Or just everybody was ready to go?
Yeah, this morning.
All right, here's two guys from the office of the barangay. Started really early today.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the beach looks great.
Yes.
All right, fantastic. Yeah, hey, yeah, show the mugs. Cheers. Wonderful, wonderful. We're gonna go get more mugs from upstairs, I think. Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
boss.
I saw you guys on the Coast Guard. I was like, is that Petron? I was trying to figure out who it was. Because my house here, when I was coming down this way, you guys were in front of my house.
Is this your coffee shop?
This is.
Copy.
Yes, sir. Well, this is my place.
Okay.
Yeah. Fantastic. Enjoy, guys.
Appreciate
And the crowd is getting bigger, so we need to make a lot more coffee.
1 million views.
You need
1 million views. Sounds
views.
good to me. Sounds good to me. So the guys in the orange, those are the Coast Guard. Haven't figured it out yet. We have all kinds of people. Yeah, gotta go over here. So look at that. Look at that. Very big group here. What time did you guys start? What time did you start this morning? 5:30. No joke, because you went a long way. Came a long way. Wow, well done, my guys. Well done. Amazing, absolutely amazing. So the Coast Guard, everybody here.
Okay, yes.
All right. I know a lot of them have to go back to work. I get it. We're getting more coffee cups, so it's free. It's free. Great job, everybody. That was great. Wow, we had so many people turn out that there wasn't a lot for each individual to do. But I got to tell you, the Coast Guard, they did the absolute most. They went the longest than anybody else. They just kept going. Good morning, guys. Good job. Good job. And yeah, they did the most work, so they get all the credit, to be honest. They did a great job. There they are again. Thanks, guys. You guys did a great job. Amazing job. All done. They got a long way to go too. They got about 4 kilometers, maybe that? No, 2.5 kilometers. Yeah, 2.5 kilometers if we go back to the Coast Guard station. So you guys got a long walk back to the Coast Guard station, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
What's up, mga idol?
Hey, brother. You guys did great. I'm walking back to my motorbike now because I left it over at the bye-bye. You know what I really give credit for the city here is the garbage pickup, because of this as being a restaurant district, is every single day at like 6, 7 in the morning. So that's really amazing. There's never any garbage, never any like dogs ripping apart garbage everywhere here and everything. They keep it super clean. What's up, guys?
Hello. How are you?
You guys did great today, by the way. I'm doing good.
Going back to our base.
Yeah. Oh, you don't have to walk.
Yeah.
You got a vehicle.
Yes.
Nice. Well, this is me. So.
Take care.
All right. Take care, guys. Good evening, everybody. As you can see, things are getting a little bit better now. Just a little bit of stone left, and I believe this stone is being taken away because, well, I didn't pay for the whole amount. The rest is going to another job site, I'm told. So we got stone over here. Actually, wait, we also got this down over here because it was kind of like just becoming mud all the time. So we asked them to put stone also over here, and we can put dirt back here. We'll clean all this up and put dirt back here, and then you can put some plants in here. But now we have stone all the way along. No more mud. Just like we have under the stairs here. And yeah, now we have a little bit bigger parking area here. And then we have our path. Still a little bit of mess here, obviously. So we have get rid of all this little bits here and everything, and get this grass to grow by watering it. Well, the rainy season should take care of that anyway. But clearing away all the stones will help, definitely. And we had this over there sitting on top of that. So once the raining hits all this, I think it'll all turn back to nice green grass. And then we just help it along the way. It'll fill in. We asked them to leave a spot here for Laura to have her own little, she can build her sandcastles, do stuff like that for now. Tomorrow they're still back. They're not done yet because, as you can see, we just have all this broken away part here of some concrete and everything. We got to deal with that. And we got some, like a low point right there. We're just going to have all that leveled out. Got to burn all that when it all dries out. So that'll be, I guess, the last day. Anyway, it's just too much stuff right now. But it looks so much cleaner. That it sure does. And almost looks complete. Hey buddy, you like your backyard? I think he likes his backyard. So now we're gonna head back to the shop in a couple minutes here. It is my night to close, so I'll be doing that. But we've taken a little bit of time to rest today for sure. Still another beautiful day just like yesterday. No sign of any rain or anything. Just a little bit of clouds, but otherwise it's really beautiful. We do have to get a guy out here though. Get all those coconuts out of the trees because they will come down and kill somebody type thing. And the good thing is we can pay a guy, he'll come up and do it, and then we can use the coconuts at our shop and we can turn them into drinks. Win-win. And there's Laura. Hello, Laura. Hello. Hello. Okay, so this is Lewis's last day because he's going back to school, and the staff have decided that he's going to be going through a ritual. This is a bucket of ice water and something over there, I don't know.
What is that?
What is that? Oh! Oh!
Goodbye, Louise!
Goodbye, Louise!
You miss me.
Oh! Let's put sand on him.
Bye guys.
Wow. Bye-bye, Louis.
Say bye-bye to
Wow.
Louise.
Bye Laura.
Oh, our light just went out. Or not ours, but the city's solar light. For some reason, only ours keeps going out, coming back on. Now he's gonna go run in the ocean. There he goes. Bye-bye, Louis.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, we sent him away. Sent him to the ocean.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.